Guys, I'm excited. Actually, I'm terrified, but I'm excited at the same time. I know I've been gone a while between Ubering and doing Turo and reselling all this stuff, trying to make some money, putting my focus on that. But we back, and I actually have some major news. So your boy was feeling kind of spontaneous and took the money that we've been saving up and went out and bought a pallet. So this is the first pallet I ever bought. It's definitely the most expensive purchase I ever made to resell something. It just got here today, and I'm about to take a look at it right now. Seems like it got 2 boxes. It wasn't really a pallet style. I guess they just shipped it in 2 big boxes. But all right, let's get this situated and we'll see what we got in here. Not a real traditional pallet, but we got 2 pretty big boxes. And this was a lot of 50 sneakers, so I mean, maybe some kid sizes, or I don't know. Maybe the boxes inside aren't that small, but there's supposed to be 50 brand new shoes in the box. So guess we'll crack it open and see what we got. Ooh, okay. I mean, you see it already. You see it already what we were dealing with. You see it already. I mean, right off the rip, you can tell like these are grade school sizes, maybe even like, yeah, infant sizes. So I mean, that's kind of trash. I hope the whole lot isn't like that, but off the rip, we already got a 1.5. This box is kind of beat. 3. So I don't really see nothing adult yet. But I mean, as far as brand wise, we got some Puma, got some New Balance, some of the mainstream brands. Toss these over here. Got some DC, Nautica, Adidas. Okay. Not 100% sure which ones, if this is still grade school or if we actually coming up into some adult sizes. Calvin Klein, got some more Pumas, and these boxes feel like they're like a little bigger. And obviously, like that looks like an adult size. This might be like a women's. Yeah, this is definitely like an adult women's, just based off on the size of the box. Yep, women's 8. This looks like a pretty premium box right here by Feel. Alright, and so you guys aren't bored out of your mind watching me unbox all these boxes, and I'm going to actually unbox them all, and then, I'll be back in 2 seconds. But with the power of cinema, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and just like that, movie magic. So the first thing I want to say is these are definitely the last ones on the shelf. They 100% the true definition of dead stock. They've been sitting on the shelf. Nobody wanted them. One thing I could say, they do look a little like dingy. I'm not sure if it's like just sitting on the shelf for so long, but they're definitely new. But at the same time, they do have some like stainage, like you can see on this one right here. Just like, definitely stuff that's just been sitting for a while. A few brands in here I don't even know. High Tech I've never heard of. I want to say that right now. I've never heard of High Tech. Calvin Klein, I've definitely heard of them. I feel like it's a lot of duds. But, can't really tell until, get them listed and see how quick they go. Alright, so what do you guys think? Did I blow it? Spent about $2K on this pallet, or a lot of shoes. 50 sneakers. They're definitely all brand new. They're dead stock by the true definition of dead stock. Some are kind of dingy, some are a little dusty, dirty, but I mean, that's nothing that we can't clean. Regardless if this stuff moves or not, I'm stuck with it. So I'm going to have to make the best of it and just see what happens. What do you guys think? Make sure you let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see the next one. For now, I'm going to try to start organizing this and start to get the listings up. Until the next one, guys.